Read with Diane.
Diane here, and thanks for coming to read with me. I Wish I Were a Pilot, written by Stella Blackstone, illustrated by Max Grover. I wish I were a pilot flying in the sky. I wish I were a balloonist floating high, high, high. I wish I were a race car driver. Race me if you dare. I wish I were a sailor and could travel everywhere. I wish I were the driver of a big steam train. I wish I were a cyclist whizzing down the lane. I wish I were a rower in a boat with gleaming oars. I wish I were a coachman with a splendid coach and four. I wish I were an astronaut hurling into space. I wish I were a cowboy with a fresh wind in my face. I wish I were the captain of a yellow submarine. I wish I could go further than anyone has been. Thanks for...
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.